How to set the action button to open the camera in selfie or portrait selfie mode on the iPhone 16 series. First, let's return back to the home screen by swiping up at the bottom of the screen. Now from the home screen, tap on settings. Then in the settings page, we scroll down and tap on the action button. Next, we swipe across and locate camera. In here, you want to tap on the drop down list, and then you can choose selfie. So if I press and hold on the action button now, this will launch the camera in selfie mode. And if I choose portrait mode or portrait selfie, that will allow me to quickly launch portrait mode when I press and hold on the action button. And that's it. So select one of the available options. And finally, you can swipe up to go back to the home screen. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.